फुल एजुकेशन सपोर्ट चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। TY BCom सेमेस्टर 6 हम लोग सब्जेक्ट ले रहे हैं बिजनेस इकोनॉमिक्स। जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि MCQ टाइप के आपके एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं और 30 क्वेश्चन में से 25 क्वेश्चंस आपको अटेंड करने होंगे। पेपर आपका 1 घंटे का होगा, 50 मार्क्स का पेपर होगा। आप लोगों के जो सब्जेक्ट हैं, सब्जेक्ट वाइज मैं MCQ यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड कर रही हूँ। आप लोगों को अपनी प्रिपरेशन में आपको बहुत हेल्प होगी। जो बच्चे विलेज में हैं या फिर बाहर हैं जिनके पास बुक अवेलेबल नहीं है, उनके लिए यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन विथ आंसर यहाँ पे मैं प्रोवाइड करने जा रही हूँ। तो इसलिए वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिएगा, लाइक कर दीजिएगा। आपके लाइक हमें बहुत मोटिवेट करते हैं वीडियोज़ को बनाने के लिए। अपने दोस्तों में शेयर करिएगा, जितना उतना सोशल मीडिया में फुल एजुकेशन सपोर्ट को शेयर करिएगा और अपने इस फुल एजुकेशन सपोर्ट के साथ हमेशा रहिएगा। TY BCom सेमेस्टर 6 बच्चों के लिए बिजनेस इकोनॉमिक्स जो चैप्टर है, आपका चैप्टर नंबर 1 है। बिजनेस इकोनॉमिक्स सब्जेक्ट का चैप्टर नंबर 1 इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड है। इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड से रिलेटेड MCQ टाइप के कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि आपको मैं यहाँ पे दिखा रही हूँ। इन्हीं क्वेश्चंस में से कोई क्वेश्चंस आपके एग्जाम में आ सकते हैं, तो आप लोग यहाँ पे देखते जाइए किस तरीके से। मैं एक एक क्वेश्चन को पढ़ती जाऊंगी और इसके सभी आंसर्स आप लोगों को मैं बता दूंगी। इसके सभी आंसर्स लास्ट में मैं आपको बता दूंगी, ठीक है। सबसे पहला ऑप्शन रहेगा वही इसका आंसर है। मैं लास्ट में आपको वापस बता दूंगी, तो आप लोग अपनी नोटबुक में लिखते जाइएगा और अच्छे से अपनी प्रिपरेशन कर लीजिएगा। आप जहाँ पे भी हैं, आपको ये वीडियो बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होने वाली है, तो लाइक जरूर कर दीजिएगा। स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड इंक्रीज द वेलफेयर ऑफ डैश। Question number 2. International trade increase the dash of participating countries. Question number 3. According to David Ricardo, international trade is beneficial under dash cost. Question number 4. David Ricardo theory assume perfect mobility of labor dash. Question number 5. Comparative cost theory is static theory because it assume dash. Question number 6. Ricardian theory measure comparative cost in term of dash. Question number 7. Ricardian theory assume that labor is dash within the country. Question number 8. Ricardian theory can be extended to dash. Question number 9. Hexer-Ohlin theory on international trade can explain dash trade. Question number 10. Commodity X is capital intensive when in its production capital labor ratio is dash. Question number 11. Hexer-Ohlin theory cannot be applied to more than dash. Question number 12. According to Hexer-Ohlin theory, product prices depend on dash. According to Hexer-Ohlin theory, the international trade take place due to difference in dash. Question number 14. In international trade, dash move between nations. Question number 15. Term of trade are expressed as a ratio of dash. Question number 16. Term of trade are favorable if the current index is a comparison to the base year index is dash. Question number 17. Gross barter term of trade take into account dash. Question number 18. Income term of trade indicate increased capacity to dash. Question number 19. Single factorial term of trade take into account change in dash. Question number 20. Generally the developing countries dash term of trade. Question number 21. The gain from trade is maximum of international term of trade are dash. Question number 22. An offer curve different from dash. Question number 23. International trade increase the welfare of dash. Question number 24. International trade result in dash. Question number 25. Cultural change due to international trade are dash. Question number 26. The concept of gross barter term of trade was introduced by dash. The concept of income term of trade was introduced by dash. Question number 28. Utility term of trade was introduced by dash. Question number 29. The concept of offer curve was introduced by dash. Question number 30. Term of trade will be favorable to a country when dash. Question number 31. The offer curve of a country is based on dash. Question number 32. A country will have unfavorable term of trade when dash. Question number 33. When supply of export is elastic, a country will have a dash term of trade. Question number 34. The concept of reciprocal demand was introduced by dash. Question number 35. Reciprocal demand is expressed in term of dash. Question number 36. The classical theory of international trade was presented by dash. Hexer-Ohlin theory states that the relative factor price in two countries are determined by dash. Hexer-Ohlin theory is also known as dash theory of international trade. Question number 39. Under dash type of cost difference, international trade will not take place. तो ये सारे क्वेश्चंस थे चैप्टर नंबर 1 के, जिसके आंसर है फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। ठीक है, तो पहला ऑप्शन जो आपको कॉमा इधर ब्रैकेट में दिख रहे होंगे वो सब पहले ऑप्शन से आपको चूज करने हैं आंसर्स के लिए। आई होप कि आपको ये फर्स्ट चैप्टर क्लियर हो गया रहेगा। अब सेकेंड चैप्टर लेते हैं जो कि है कॉमर्शियल पॉलिसी एंड इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमिक इंटीग्रेशन। मल्टीप्लस MCQ टाइप के जो क्वेश्चन है यहाँ आप लोग के सामने है, इसके आंसर भी मैं आपको वीडियो के लास्ट में आपको प्रोवाइड कर दूंगी। जैसे ही चैप्टर 2 फिनिश होगा उसके लास्ट में आपको आंसर मिल जाएंगे। ऑल इकोनॉमिक सब्जेक्ट के यहाँ पे मैं सभी चैप्टर्स को कवर कर रही हूँ, तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिएगा। Which one of the following is not an objective of commercial trade policy? Question number 1. Question number 2. Which one of the following is an argument for free trade? Question number 3. Which of the following is an argument against the policy of free trade? Question number 4. Protectionist policy dash. Question number 5. Tariff rate quota are dash. Question number 6. Tariff expressed as either a specific or an ad valorem rate, whichever is higher is known as dash. Question number 7. Countervailing tariff specifically aim to dash. Question number 8. A system that make it mandatory for domestic producer to use some proportion of domestic raw material is known as dash. Question number 9. Which of the following is not an NTB? Question number 10. Which of the following NTB prevent free movement of capital between countries? Question number 11. The reduction in domestic consumption due to impositions of quota result in dash. Question number 12. A preferential trade area is a trade block where dash. Question number 13. A free trade area is a trade block where dash. Question number 14. A custom union is a trade block where dash. Question number 15. A common or single market is a trade block where dash. Question number 16. Dash is one of the disadvantages of international economic integration. Question number 17. The dash was assigned to create the EU in 1993. Question number 18. The euro replaced the national currency of 12 EU member nations in the year dash. Question number 19. The function of EU single market is governed by dash. Question number 20. The Eurozone crisis was essentially a dash crisis. Question number 21. ASEAN was formed in dash. Question number 22. The dash was established in 2050 to bring about economic integration to create a single market in Asia. Question number 23. The aim of ABF is to be established dash. तो यहाँ पे आप लोगों को सभी क्वेश्चंस के आंसर अवेलेबल हैं, आप लोग देख सकते हैं। इन सभी क्वेश्चंस के आंसर को आपको टिक करने हैं और आंसर के साथ मुझे आप लोग कमेंट में बताते जाइएगा। चैप्टर नंबर 3 है जो कि है बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट एंड WTO। अब इसके भी MCQ डिस्कस करते हैं। सभी के क्वेश्चंस में बताऊंगी, आप लोग को आंसर लास्ट में मिल जाएंगे, तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा। वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, आपके लाइक हमारा मनोबल बढ़ा रहे हैं। Unilateral transfer dash. Question number 1. Question number 2. Unilateral flow in the balance of payment account refer to dash. Question number 3. The full form of TRIM, TRIM, TRIMS is dash. And question number 4. WTO was set up on dash. Question number 5. GATT stand for dash. Question number 6. Autonomous capital flow dash other item in the balance of payment. Question number 7. The current account in the balance of payment dash. A deficit in India balance of trade in recent time is due to dash. Question number 9. Good performance on dash has helped India to reduce its current account balance deficit in recent time. Question number 10. There is an increase in dash on India capital or account in recent time. Question number 11. After covering deficit on current account, excess capital account and receipt are added to dash. Question number 12. Bank capital on India capital account include dash. Question number 13. Private transfer on India current account include dash. Question number 14. International trade increased the welfare of dash. Question number 15. WTO agreement incorporated dash proposal. Question number 16. Dash has given mandate to negotiate multilateral rule relating to service. Question number 17. Foreign direct investment is a part of dash. Question number 18. External borrowing is treated as a dash flow. Question number 19. Foreign exchange reserve of India include dash. Question number 20. The highest authority of WTO is dash. Question number 21. The agreement of agriculture does not aim at dash. क्वेश्चन नंबर जो कि है 22. इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट इंक्लूड डैश. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. द करंट अकाउंट बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट डज नॉट इंक्लूड डैश. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. डैश इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ यूनिलेटरल ट्रांसफर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. डैश इज नॉट अ डायरेक्ट मेजर टू करेक्ट बीओपी डिसइक्विलिब्रियम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. व्हेन बीओपी डिसइक्विलिब्रियम इज chronic in nature and last for a long time, it is a sign of dash disequilibrium. Question number 27. When disequilibrium take a place due to change in demand pattern for export or import, it is a case of dash equilibrium. Question number 28. TRIM agreement refer to treating foreign investment at dash with domestic investment. 29. Question. The effective of devaluation depend on dash. Question number 30 जो कि है foreign exchange reserve of India include dash. Question number 31. In past several year India capital account balance was in dash. Question number 32. Portfolio foreign investment is included in dash account of BOP. Question number 33. Expenditure switching policy to correct BOP deficit include dash. Question number 34. Tariff and quota are imposed on import to correct BOP deficit are called as dash measure. Question number 35. The sum of total export import demand elasticity must be dash. Question number 36. In the past several years India net individual were in dash. The first option is the correct option. इन सभी क्वेश्चंस में जो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है वही उसके राइट ऑप्शन है, तो आप लोगों को फर्स्ट ऑप्शन देख लेना है कि क्या है. आई होप कि ये वाला चैप्टर भी आपका क्लियर हो गया रहेगा. इसको लर्न करना है, इसके आंसर आप मुझे कमेंट करते जाइएगा जब भी मैं आपको क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ तब. अब चैप्टर नंबर 4 है जो कि है फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मार्केट. फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मार्केट का मल्टीप्लाई चॉइस क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Has referred to dash. Question number 1. Has referred to dash. Question number 2. Under flexible exchange rate system, the exchange rate is determined by dash. Question number 3. Function of forex market include dash. Which of the following is not a function of foreign exchange market? Question number 5. Dash help to equalize the exchange rate in all part of the foreign market. Foreign exchange market. Question number 6. Forward market in foreign exchange refer to dash market. Question number 7. Speculations in foreign exchange market refer to dash Indian. Question number 8. India adopted dash exchange rate system. Question number 9. The rate at which the foreign currency is exchanged at current rate is called dash rate. Question number 10. Vehicle currency is dash. Question number 11. Arbitrage refer to purchase and sale of an asset dash. Question number 12. Dash is not included in the wholesale foreign exchange market. Question number 13. Speculator deal in dash. Question number 14. Hedger enter foreign exchange market to dash. Question number 15. Foreign exchange market is a place where dash. Question number 16. Flexible exchange create dash in importer and exporter. Question number 17. Dash is not a defect of flexible exchange rate. Question number 18. Under dash exchange rate system, the exchange rate is determined by market force. Question number 19. Under dash exchange rate system, the central bank of nation intervenes in exchange rate determined. Question number 20. Fixed exchange rate system, the exchange rate was dash. Question number 21. The modern foreign exchange market operator under the dash rate system. Question number 22. In exchange rate determine the first currency in the currency pair is called dash currency. Question number 23. Dash is a feature of foreign exchange market. Question number 24. Dash is not a feature or of foreign exchange market. Question number 25. Dash enable an investor to earn high return while maximizing capital risk. Question number 26. Transaction in foreign exchange market have become quicker due to dash. Question number 27. Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications SWIFT is a dash communication network that facilitates 24-hour secure international exchange of payment instructions between bank, central bank and multinational corporate and major securities firm. Question number 28 जो कि the functions of foreign exchange market that help in clearing the international transaction is known as dash. Question number 29 provision of documentary bill of exchange in international payment is an example of dash function. Question number 30 the function of foreign exchange market which is concerned with a fixing of forward exchange rate is known as dash. Question number 31 foreign exchange rate of nation is influenced by dash. Question number 32 the foreign exchange rate of nation is influenced by dash. Question number 33 dash is not a feature of spot exchange rate. Question number 34 the demand for foreign currency arises due to dash. Question number 35 the supply of foreign currency is on account of dash. Question number 36 the dash rate is a rate at which nation currency is exchanged for some of other nation currency. Question number 37 the demand curve for foreign exchange slope dash indicating that when the exchange rate of foreign currency fall the demand for it increase. Question number 38 the supply of curve for a foreign currency slope dash indicating that when the exchange rate of foreign currency increase the supply of it increase. Question number 39 if there is more demand for foreign currency the foreign currency will dash. Question number 40 when the demand curve for foreign currency intersect the supply curve we get dash exchange rate. Question number 41 theory of purchasing power parity dash. Question number 42 purchasing power parity theory was propounded by dash. Question number 43 purchase of foreign currency by the monetary authority the dash appreciation of a domestic currency. Question number 44 dash is the mandatory authority intervention to prevent forex fluctuation through M policy instructions. Question number 45 dash is the monetary authority intervention by purchase sale of foreign currency to prevent fluctuation in foreign exchange. Question number 46 dash of the good result in demand for foreign currency. Question number 47 dash result in supply of foreign currency. Question number 48 equilibrium exchange rate is determined when dash. Question number 49 exchange rate between two currencies is based on dash. Question number 50 critique of purchasing power parity theory state that it has limited application for dash country. Question number 51 PPP theory consider that good in different country are dash. Question number 52 PPP theory ignore capital flow on account of dash. Question number 53 there is a dash relationship between demand of foreign currency and exchange rate. Question number 54 there is a dash relationship between supply of foreign currency and exchange rate. Question number 55 the LERMS was introduced in India dash in India in dash. Question number 56 under managed float the central bank of nation intervention dash foreign currency. Question number 57 under flexible exchange rate system the exchange rate is determined by dash. Question number 58 IMF exchange rate system was dash. तो यहाँ पे 58 क्वेश्चन मैंने डिस्कस किए जिसके आंसर है फर्स्ट ऑप्शन जो रहेगा वही उसका करेक्ट आंसर है। यहाँ पे आप लोग को मैंने बता दिया है, ठीक है। तो अभी ये लेसन्स में बिजनेस इकोनॉमी के ये सभी चैप्टर्स मैंने यहाँ पे कवर कर लिए हैं। जितने चैप्टर्स हैं 4 चैप्टर और 4 के 4 चैप्टर का MCQs और उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर विथ डिस्कशन मैंने यहाँ पे करा दिए हैं। आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आया होगा। वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, दोस्तों में शेयर कर दीजिए। MCQ टाइप के क्वेश्चंस, ये क्वेश्चंस को आपको बार बार पढ़ना है। MCQ टाइप के आपके पास बुक नहीं है तो आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, जो भी अपडेट होगी मैं आपको देती रहूँगी। MCQ टाइप के ये क्वेश्चंस को करिए। आई नो कि इनमें से कई क्वेश्चंस है जो आपके एग्जाम में जरूर आएंगे। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।